What's going on, guys? Corey from Yota Expedition here. We have our 3rd gen Tacoma, and in this video we're going to be installing a TRD skid plate. So if you want to grab one of these skid plates for your Tacoma, click the link in the description or head over to yotaexpedition.com. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing on the lift, show you how to get that OEM skid plate off, and get this TRD one installed. All right, so we got the Tacoma up on the lift, and we're gonna go ahead and start taking off the OEM skid plates. We're gonna have a front one and a rear one. There's gonna be a total of 8 bolts. You're gonna have 4 on the front one and 4 on the back one as well, and all of them are a 12 millimeter. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all of those out. All right, we got the OEM skid plates off. Now we have some more bolts we need to remove. We have a 17 millimeter bolt right here, and then we also need to take out the one in the back. The one that's in the middle, you're gonna be keeping there, and then on the driver's side, we're gonna be taking off the one on the left, again, leaving the middle bolt, and then removing the rear one. These are all gonna be 17 millimeter. All right, we got the OEM skid plate down, and we have it sitting next to the brand new TRD one. You can see the old one is a 2-piece stamps steel design. The new one is a 1-piece, and it's probably a 1/4 inch thick aluminum, so it's definitely gonna be stronger. You can see we have the window here that you can unbolt. That is so you can get your oil filter out. You have your jack point right here, and then you have your engine oil drain plug. And of course we have the TRD up front, nice and center, so when the truck's on the ground, you can see it. So the factory skid plate were all 12 millimeter bolts. On the new TRD one, the front 4 bolts are a 17 millimeter, and the 2 on the back are gonna be a 12 millimeter. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably grab Jared, who's behind the camera. He's gonna help me hold this thing up. We're gonna get the bolt started. If you're doing this on the ground, then just put a jack underneath this, jack it up, and get the bolt started that way. All right, so we got the skid plate up and all of the bolts tightened. It was a little bit tricky to get the bolts started. You need to make sure that all of them are lined up properly. So having a second person definitely is recommended. It would just make it much easier, but everything's tightened down. If I do find the OEM torque specs, I'll put them on the screen right here for you. But we're gonna go ahead and let the truck down and see how it looks. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this install with the TRD skid plate on the 3rd gen Tacoma. Now we have a skid plate that is stronger, thicker, more protection, and it looks better as well. If you have any questions about this install, ask us down below in the comments. And if you wanna pick one of these up, click the link in the description or head over to yotaexpedition.com. If you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button and stay on top of all of our Tacoma and 4Runner content that we're posting every single week. But until next time, thanks for watching.